Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as an individual products on your collection page. This video is specific for baseline theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, then I have already published a playlist. You will be finding the same feature code for different themes. I have already added a link below in the description. You just need to download the code. Once the code is downloaded, you will be having these files. You should open document.txt. Inside of it, I have already given all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. Now you should go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see that I have installed baseline theme. Here is the front end. Now you can see we have only 3 products. Each product has their color variants, but only single variant is displaying on the collection page. If you are going to the dashboard, you should click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. We have some files and folders here. We need to follow the documentation. So the first step is create a new snippet. Name of that snippet will be color dash variant. So copy the name from here, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste the name here. Then after you should go back and create another new snippet which is color dash product dash title dash standard. So copy the name from here, click on add a new snippet, paste it here and click on done. Similarly, we have the third file color dash product dash title dash overlay. Copy the name, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done. Now we need to paste the code which is attached here. So the first code is color dash variant.txt. So you should select this complete code, copy it and paste it inside of color dash variant.liquid and click on save and close this file. Again we have color dash product dash title dash standard. So you should select this complete code and paste it inside of this file and save the changes and close this file again. Now the third is color dash product dash style dash overlay. So copy this code from here and paste it right here and click on save. Once everything is done, then you should close this file and go back to fourth step. Go to sections, open main dash collection.liquid. So copy this name from here, search in this file and you will be finding main dash collection.liquid. And here we have some code which we need to find it inside of that file. So maybe you should search this product title text overlay inside of this collection file using Control F or maybe Command F. It will be highlighted. So you can see that we have an li tag. So this tag is starting from here and ending at this line. So you should replace this complete code with these line of codes, copy it from here and then paste it right here and then click on save. Once everything is done, then you can refresh this page. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the products with their color variants displaying, and that's how you can implement the same thing into your store. So if you have any problem or stuck somewhere, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.